Howdy, we're back from the store. Picked us up another transformer. This is one of the Playskool Transformers Rescue Bots Academy. This one is called Bumblebee. I think we'll open it up, show you how it operates, and get it going for you. There he is. He's the yellow one. Folds up into a, looks like some type of a Jeep or something. There's the back side. Shows you how to do it. They put the instructions down here on the bottom. It's only like one or two little folds and it's into the Jeep, so we'll get it going for you. And here he is, the Bumblebee. Let's see if we can get him open. There's a tie down right there. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. There we go. And he just, well, there's another tie down on the arms over here too. Alright, we'll open them up too. Maybe. Those are better than those wire tie downs they use. There we go. Take him out right there. Let's see what we can do here. There he is. Looks like the arms fold in like this. And there he is. He's a Jeep. Look at that. Ha ha. One little fold. You want to go back to the robot? Pull the arms back around. There he is. Okay.